Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, the Etinosa and MC Galaxy drama shows no signs of slowing down, and I, of course, as your citizen reporter, am on the spot to bring you the latest development. So the yawa around the Etinosa STRIP performance on MC Galaxy's Instagram show shows no signs of petering out. Since that show, there has been accusations, counter-accusations, recriminations, and acrimony. In short, there's been a lot of drama. First up, shortly after the performance, Mr. 2K immediately piped up to blame MC Galaxy. Reacting, Mr. 2K condemned MC Galaxy for permitting the display. Addressing MC Galaxy, he says, "Na thunder go fire you," and then he uses the B word. Every woman should be treated with respect. So that is what MC 2K, or Mr. 2K rather, had to say in response to MC Galaxy for permitting Etinosa to do what she did on his Instagram show. So, meanwhile, under pressure, MC Galaxy felt the need to defend himself. MC Galaxy has said that he was reluctant to end the live stream video that showed actress Etinosa appearing unclothed because she wanted him not to do so. MC Galaxy thinks no blame should be apportioned to him for letting an actress, Etinosa, to STRIP on his live Instagram video. He said this in an interview with Linda Ikeji on Saturday, March 16, 2019. A day prior, the actress had joined a weekly interaction that he, that is MC Galaxy, often has with his fans and unclothed herself. If you watch that video, I was blocking my eyes. I couldn't even watch it, MC Galaxy said. I even told her bye, and she said if I cut the call, I will, and this is what Etinosa said to him. So she said if I cut the call, I will KILLU. So at a point, I didn't want it to feel like I was embarrassing her. She's a celebrity and I cannot cut the call off. I just had to cover my eyes, he further said. In a separate interview, MC Galaxy summed up that no one will dare repeat the act that Etinosa did based on the reactions, mostly negative, that trailed that action. He later said that Etinosa was not depressed when she joined him on IG Live. Etinosa is not depressed. We had been talking since. We just finished talking not long ago before you called me, MC Galaxy told Linda Ikeji. The incident with the actress was controversial to say the very least, but it won't prevent him from continuing with Friday chat with my friends, said MC Galaxy whilst reacting to the situation. Pressure to end his Instagram broadcast, believed to be limiting women, had been mounting since a week ago when actress Tony Abraham sent out a warning to him. Meanwhile, Etinosa is full of regret, though she remains defiant. Here's what she has to say. Etinosa admits that she made a mistake after appearing unclothed on Instagram. Etinosa has admitted that she made a mistake after appearing unclothed on Instagram in a call to MC Galaxy on Friday 15th, 2019. Etinosa had shared that she wants to move on from her unclothed performance that has raised some concerns about her well-being. Commenting on her social media profile this time, she attributed her performance to a challenge that she was dealing with that seemed like a problem in her romance. Etinosa shared that she hopes to move on from the incident whilst maintaining a confidence about her body. This is what she has to say. I made a mistake that I do not ever want to repeat. No man is perfect, but we must continue to strive for perfection. The big blunder has occurred and I would like to move on. Me, my pot belly, and the rest of my beautiful body. This is what Etinosa wrote with humor about the situation, so trying to laugh it off. When a viral video showing Etinosa unclothing herself on Instagram hit social media audience, MC Galaxy had his share of criticisms for allowing the display to carry on. This, of course, is despite the fact that he claimed that he was powerless. The singer was blamed for not doing enough to prevent the regrettable show. As a result, he has announced that he won't be taking the fall if ever such an incident recurs. Next time, I won't take the blame again, oh, he says. MC Galaxy mentioned this, and he said that his Instagram sessions are going to continue on a weekly basis. MC Galaxy goes on to advise his audience not to call in without their clothes on. So this is what he had to say on his Instagram handle. A lot of this might repeat, but I'm going to read you what he has to say in his own words. So this is what he has to say. My live video is every Friday 10:30 Nigerian time. Feel free to call in and sing and dance or act, etc. Please, I beg you, don't call in without your clothes on, because I won't cut off my live video because of you. So please advise your girlfriends, sisters, etc. not to do this. So this is more or less a quote of what he has to say. So that is the situation as far as the Etinosa and MC Galaxy thing is at the moment. So that is where we are. There's been a lot of people piping in. This Mr. 2K whatever, he's very quick to jump on the bandwagon to tap into the publicity, to flash up his name as well. But really, would you say you agreed with this comment? Because he's saying that a woman should not be treated like this. But what exactly has MC Galaxy done? So Etinosa, people are saying, was drunk when she put on this performance, and they are saying that MC Galaxy should have noted and noticed that she was drunk, and he should have then acted to protect her dignity. But really, if you look at the progression of events, if you look at the trajectory, if you look at the sequence of events, Etinosa had been posting on MC Galaxy's platform all day and virtually all week, saying that she was intending to do this. So she'd been posting it, she had trolled it, she had advertised it, and then she then went on and did it. So she might well have had a drink in the moment and at that moment, and she might well even have been drunk at that moment, but the fact that she's advertised it over a period of time will tell you that it is premeditated and she was intent on doing this. Now, Etinosa is a full-grown adult. I'm sure she's in her mid-20s, probably early 30s, so she's certainly a grown adult. She's a movie producer, she's an actress, she's a comedian, she's somebody of substance, she's of standing in society, and she's well known. So there's no reason to suggest that she's not in full possession of her faculties. She might well have not been in full possession of her faculties in the moment, but the fact that it's premeditated already showed that intent. So really, I feel personally that this absolves MC Galaxy from the blame of this incident. Because if a full-grown adult is intent on doing this sort of thing, and she's stated that she was going to do it, and he's provided a platform to do this, and MC Galaxy is known for doing this, so his platform is already off that reputation. So if she comes on that platform intending to do these things, because MC Galaxy has that reputation of going on Instagram and live streaming and inviting females to come unclothed for 50,000 naira, etc. So he's already done this in the past, so it's not a new thing, and it's not as though new grounds were being broken in that live streaming. So this live streaming is known for being of that ilk. So this is the format, and this is the platform, and this is how he plays it. So if Etinosa, of full conscience and in full possession of her faculties, has now come into this arena, knowing what goes on in this arena, to say that she wants to participate in the goings on in the arena, and then she goes on to participate in the goings on in the arena, you cannot then blame the host of that arena, who has already stated and fleshed out exactly exactly what his platform is all about. For this girl, you cannot blame him for this girl coming onto his platform to do this, because the girl has to take responsibility for her actions. And I'm not absolving completely MC Galaxy of any blames, by the way, but I'm absolving him of blames for this particular incident. So the overall morality of his platform and the way he goes about his business is questionable, and the morality element of that is off question as well, and I query that too, because really, if he's offering money to young females to come and clothe themselves on his platform, then he's really exploiting their financial situation and is abusing their femininity, and he has no respect for women. We can all say that. So MC Galaxy really is a non-person. I don't really care for him, but this particular situation really is one that I am really looking for us to explore, because you have to at some point place responsibilities of the actions of an adult in full possession of their mental faculties at their doorstep. So if somebody of Etinosa's pedigree, of her achievement and her substance, had made the conscious decision to do this, then really I cannot see how you can blame MC Galaxy for this. Or am I reading this completely wrong? This is my perspective, so what is yours? Let's share perspectives in the comment section. What do you make of all this? Let's have a conversation about Nigerian celebrities in the comment section. But before we go have that conversation, you know what to do. You click on that red subscribe button so it goes gray, and then you click on the bell button as well so you are notified every time I drop a video. Once you've done that, come meet me in the comment section where this conversation carries on. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, and I'll say peace.